Hey beauty queens, welcome back to my channel. So this is probably going to be the quickest install you guys have ever watched me do. The wig we're going to be installing is a wig from HotBeautyHair. You can find them on Instagram. I will leave all the information in the description box. You already know that. So the wig is a 12-inch bob. The wig comes with a nice blonde highlight in the front, and then it has like a dark root to number 4 on the rest of the bob. It was very interesting. I haven't seen color done like this before. It has an elastic band in the back of the wig, like where you will put it as if it was a frontal, and then it also has the regular adjustable straps bar straps that come inside the wig. So we're gonna go ahead and install it. This is the length. You guys can see it comes already done. So basically you just have to put the wig on. You don't even have to flat iron if you don't want to. I put a little bit of concealer underneath so it can match. I'm going to put the elastic band behind her head, and then I'm going to use the comb and clip that underneath to secure the wig in place. This is a closure bob, so if you want to take it off at night, you can. You do not have to glue it down, but if you do want to glue it down, you can. But you know, for my ladies who like to put their wigs on their little mannequin head at night, this is perfect for you. The straps are adjustable, so you see me here adjusting the strap so that it fits to your client or your head, you know, as secure as possible. So now I'm going to just go ahead and slide the wig on, making sure the elastic band is going along the nape area. And then I'm going to take my comb and tuck it underneath. After you tuck it underneath, it's secure. Like, it's basically secure in place. You do not have to worry about it coming off. You do not need anything extra on it. Now we're going to cut the lace off. That's basically the final thing. You cut your lace off and then you comb everything back in place. Make sure everything is looking nice and sleek. It's already flat ironed. It's already straight. You don't even have to lay down the part. The part, it already comes as a middle part. You basically have nothing to do. And it's removable. Easy, simple. A lot of my ladies do not like to leave their wigs on. They do like them to be removable, and there are a lot of women who do not like glue. So you do not have to glue this wig down. It's a 12-inch bob, and it's 180 density. It was really, really full. It was not thin. There was no shedding. I really, really did enjoy doing this review. And of course, I'm going to leave all the information like I told you guys at the beginning of the video. This is HotBeautyHair, their 12-inch 180 density highlighted bob. Go check them out, guys, and I will see you guys later.